Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Bluesky app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on settings here, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. You go down, just keep going down here. So then you click here on moderation, just click on it. When you click here on moderation, it's going to take you to this list here. You come here to adult content, click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us has been adult content enabled with us now. And here can you expect or select here if you want to add show or word or head. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.